Geospatial data is only valuable when it's accessible, usable, and ready to drive decisions. But too often, it's locked behind clunky systems, slow downloads, or interfaces that weren't built for real-world workflows. That's why Get Mapping has partnered with Soarvo, a cloud-based content-on-demand platform built for professionals who need clarity, speed, and control. Stream ultra-detailed aerial imagery, mobile mapping outputs, and your own survey data, all in one secure workspace. Visualize in 3D, annotate, measure, and collaborate across teams, without switching systems or waiting for downloads. Get Mapping's frequent flying programs deliver the most up-to-date aerial imagery across Great Britain. Instantly stream ultra-detailed city view at 5 cm resolution, national view at 12.5 cm, and color infrared imagery for environmental analysis. And when you need to look back, explore over 25 years of historic coverage, ideal for change detection and benchmarking. We know every project is different. That's why we offer flexible ways to access your data. Stream it through platforms, integrate it into your own systems via API, or download it directly for offline use. Whether you're working with complex datasets or need fast access in the field, we make it easy to work the way you do. To explore our data visualization options or request a free 7-day trial of Soarvo, visit our website. See more, know more, and do more with smarter geospatial workflows.